Kia ora. We have been busy. Things have been happening. We've been sourcing our materials. We've got surveyed clay by myself. Still need to confirm it by mates down in Tauranga. We're moving to level 2 in Northland, so we can go on Tuesday or Wednesday. We're going to drive down. Yeah, we cut some trees and it was super exciting and it feels super good, and yeah, I've got some things to show ya.
Is it a good spot, Rex? Is it a good spot? What do you reckon?
So we're just here at our building site, and I was told to just get in there into the ground and take things with one hand into the ground and just dig around for a little bit and just get a feel for what the ground is like. So ideally we want to have a topsoil, and then there will be clay underneath, and clay is nice and dense, so it makes it easy to compact the earth. So yeah, I'm gonna just dig around. I've got my safety shoes, didn't bother put on my boots because I'm just gonna do a few holes and just dig in there. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So we've got maybe like that much topsoil, 15-20 centimeters, and then underneath that is clay. So that's good. The soil is also real soft, which got me excited, because digging in hard rocky soil is very annoying and not great. So I felt one rock and that's it. So I felt real soft, and I'm super stoked, and I'm loving the site more and more. So we've also been camping just over there. That was our first spot that we looked at, but it doesn't get that morning sun, because the morning sun is coming through that gap here in the trees, and is hitting this spot. And this spot is getting the sun almost 2 hours after that. The first rays of sun hit over there. So we've been camping here, getting really excited about our new spot. Did a little ritual, and yeah, just been kind of just wanting to get a feel what it's like. What is it like out here? We're just here to go have a look at some gum trees that have been cut down a while ago. Hannah's just jumped in there and having a look at some trees, and it is a project that has been stalling for over a year, and there's some material that I like, so we're gonna go in there and find some nice size trunks for our house. Yeah, we've got these gum trees or eucalyptus on the ground here, and this is what we want for the house. So we're gonna get them nice and dry and maybe cut some free. What do you reckon? You're gonna use a chainsaw?
Yep.
Yeah. So all these trees, all these eucalyptus trees have been planted as an experiment, planting a different species of tree in there. So I don't actually exactly know which species it is, but we're just gonna take advantage of the situation. And we checked in with the neighbor who was kind of overseeing the project, and he gave us the green light. So we're super stoked to not having to cut down our own trees, but yeah, help people kind of out here. Should we get into it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You there?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm David.
I'm Hannah.
And we're building a house together. And we're just sitting in a circle of rocks that we put down on the ground to lay the foundations of our little whare. And we're really excited about it. So we mowed the lawns.
First time for me using a, what is it called? Weed whacker,
Wheat whacker, yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
It was very hard and quite scary.
Yeah. So yeah, we're here on the land in the Hikurangi?
Yeah. Oh, Hukurunui.
Hukurunui.
Yeah.
And the Hukurunui forest. And that's where we're going to live. And over the last few days, we've spent some time working on ourselves and each other, realizing that building a house while things are a bit off is not a good idea.
Yeah.
So sorting out some crap.
Relationship first.
Yeah.
Like relationship first. Strong foundation relationship. Then we build a house.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
But the house is going to be as strong as our relationship.
Yeah.
And it's going to weather all the storms and earthquakes. And we set these intentions, and it's going to be beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, we just sat together and did a ritual. Like, you know, just voicing our intentions and desires and dreams and fantasies for the house.
Arming.
Doing some alms and releasing them to the universe.
Yeah.
And then making out for a while.
Yeah, just being hippies, you know,
Yeah,
that's what we
it's
do.
classic hippie shit.
Yeah, just classic. So we feel very connected to the land right now. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing because we're the Kaitiaki here. And that's why we're here, to take care.
Yeah.
To take care of this place. So that's us, and this is gonna be our vlog, Nature Lab. So keep following us, subscribe, and come along on this journey. Like, we literally don't know what we're doing.
We have no idea what we're doing.
So this is a learning by doing experience for us, and maybe for a lot of other people as well. And we hope to create a space for people to learn with us and empower other people to do something similar, or to come out onto a piece of land and follow their dreams. And it is scary to untie the lines and go away from all the security that our society out there is offering us to go find a place, build your own house with your mates, learn something new every day, and just go hard.
Yeah,
That's what we want to do. So all the things we're going to be learning, or a lot of things that we're going to be learning, I want to share, and you're welcome to listen and learn with us and supply us with information, and please help.
Yeah, we need help. We have a lot of love and support and a lot of friends, and we have plenty of friends with knowledge and experience, but ultimately we're amateurs.
Yeah,
and
very much so.
And it's gonna be an epic learning adventure.
Yeah. So today, for the first time using the weed whacker, how was that?
Yeah, it was great. It was challenging. My arms hurt. My mum makes it look easy. It's not that easy.
She's done this for hours.
Yeah. But no, it was good. Yep. I can do things.
You can do
I can use tools.
I've seen you doing things.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to this, and welcome to our journey.
Yeah.